The Monthly Retirement Benefit Calculator from Colorado Para is an excellent tool to help you plan for retirement. When you log into your secure account at copara.org, you'll see your estimated monthly retirement benefit displayed. This figure is based on the first date you're eligible for full retirement. To use the calculator and customize your estimate, click on the Calculate Projected Monthly Benefit button. You can explore retirement date options, change your highest average salary, and see how purchasing service credit can alter your estimated monthly benefit. One important thing to keep in mind about using the calculator: if you change your predicted retirement date, you also need to change your years of service credit for an accurate estimate reflecting your full anticipated years of service. If you're planning on selecting option 2 or 3, go to the bottom of the calculator where you can enter a co-beneficiary's date of birth to factor in how that may affect your estimated monthly benefit. Once you've entered that information, click Calculate to see your estimate. You can adjust dates, years of service, and highest average salary as many times as necessary to help make the retirement plan that's best for you. Log into your secure account at copara.org to calculate your future monthly benefit and help plan for retirement.